Oh, dude. All right, you see the leg statue there? Let's get that. Let's focus up here. All right, well, let's get another reading on this guy. Giving me 1 second. We're gonna go 2 seconds. I'm just gonna self-timer it. All right. I'm kind of nervous having my Leica out in the snow like this. It's getting a little wet. Well, we've had some pretty good snowstorms this week in Salt Lake, and it's starting to feel like a rare thing nowadays. With all the Christmas lights up, I thought, what a perfect opportunity to go take some mediocre pictures out in the snow. When shooting at night, you need a few things. A camera, obviously. A tripod to minimize camera shake, a shutter release cable to also help minimize camera shake, and some sort of light meter to help with your long exposures. Now, when it comes to film stocks, Cinestill 800T is usually the trendy thing to shoot at night, but halations just don't feel right for Christmas. So we're going to be using Portra 400. Now, there's a few things you have to keep in mind when shooting film at night. There's a thing called reciprocity, which is just a fancy word that means the longer your film is exposed to light, the less sensitive it becomes. It gets a bit technical, and I know there's some math involved, so I would just download the reciprocity app. Just tell it what film stock you're using and the light meter reading, and it'll give you a new and improved exposure time. So if my light meter is telling me 10 seconds, then I plug that into the app, and it'll give me a new time of 26 seconds. And that's how you battle reciprocity. What's the shot here, dude? Let's get set up here, dude. It's freaking Christmas time. Now you might ask, Ramsey, were you stressed at all about big snowflakes getting on your expensive, hard to replace camera? Yeah, I was. But I'm proud to say that no Leicas were harmed in the making of this episode. 13 seconds at an f8:11 split. Well, there you go. Let's sneak into it, bro. All right, here we go, dude. Set. 3. That was 6 seconds, dude. We'll see what that one does. Out of the first 2 shots of the night, I think the second one works better. It makes the Christmas street sign much more of the focus, I think. All right, dude, let's see what else we can find out here. Oh, dude, let's go get in this house. Come over just a bit. Okay. All right, dude, we're gonna try, I guess, one at 30 seconds.
And then it always disappoints.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm pretty jazzed about how this one turned out. I'm down for all that gold light spilling out of the window. I'll be honest, I'm kind of bored of this street. You want to go? Let's go drive around and go see what else we can find. You'd think if you lived on Christmas Street, you'd go all out on the decor. But the most exciting thing we saw was the leg lamp. And you saw that shot already. Alright, bro, let's go. It'd be cool to find like an old looking car just covered in snow. The hell was that? That circle window's kind of fun. One minute. 3, 2. 10 more seconds. Kind of a different composition. There's honestly nothing memorable about this shot. Not the light, not the subject. I have no idea why I took it. Alright, dude, let's see if there's something over here. All right, dude, how about this cute house here with you got the Christmas tree in the window over there. You seen that? Right over there. It's gotta be closer. The trusty light meter. All right, dude. We're gonna do 18 seconds on this one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This one fits the Christmas season, I guess, but nothing spectacular happening here. I have a Ring doorbell. Fetch. It's freezing out there though, dude. I think this one's gonna be pretty good. We're gonna go 5 seconds. 3, 2. This one turned out really nice. I think the only thing missing is a snow shovel or a sled leaning up against the house to complete the look. All right, dude, I kind of like that tree. All right, we're gonna go 10 seconds on this one. 3, 2. This shot feels very peaceful. Dude, what if we get a little foreground of the car with the house in the back? I guess, dude, we'll do one on the car and then we'll do one on the house. 3, 2. And now one focused on the car. All right, another 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2. I don't know why I took 2 of these. Turns out an f8 provides a very deep focus, so taking 2 shots was a total waste of time. Plus, did I say how bad this shot is already? Dude, making these in the cold sucks. Okay, 6 seconds. I'm gonna do 10 seconds. Just gonna go for it. 3, 2. This one could be rad if the car was made like 30 years ago. I guess if I give this photo some time, maybe someone someday will think it's retro and cool. I'm gonna try one at 1 second at a 2.8 up there. 3, 2, 1. I'm really stoked on this shot. I'm just bummed it looks like a big snowflake got on the lens, but overall it's a cool shot. That one's gonna be pretty good. All right, dude, here we go. We're gonna do roughly 2 seconds. You ready? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. I should have taken a nice wide of the car before disrupting the scene with all my footprints in the snow. But this is the best we got. All right, dude, for 2 seconds, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Man, something's gotta work, right? We gotta get the drip on the front. Focus up here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go for about 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I took a lot of pictures of this car in hopes to try and find the right angle, and I think we found it with this one. But you tell me. 2, 1. Now, these street shots are interesting. The snow being motion blurred brings a vibe that I don't know if I'm really down for. But here they are for your viewing experience. Microphone on, rebouncing. Eventually we called it. It was just too damn cold. So we went to warm ourselves up with today's video sponsor, Mini Bean and Cheese Burritos. Dude, it's like a little hand warmer, bro. Looking back, I wish I had some sort of ND filter to help alleviate the snow falling in some of these shots. The snow falling mixed with these longer exposure times brings a weird element to the photos that I don't know if I really like. And if I had an ND filter, I could do even longer exposure times, blurring out the snow altogether. Or I could have tried opening the aperture all the way up to an f1.4 and trying to do a faster shutter speed and freeze that snow right where it was, like I did a few nights ago with this shot on some HP5. Out of all of them though, I think my favorite from the night is this guy. I love the snow on the tree trunk, I love the lighting. There's just a real sense of innocence with this photo, and it just takes me back to the salad days. I also love the lighting and colors in this shot. I'm all about the golden light coming through the shears, contrasted against the chilly outside snow setting. But I just feel like the composition is lacking something that I can't quite put my finger on. But I'll be honest though, I just can't get that lamp leg out of my head.